Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I was live with Mrs Gigi. And we did a couple of, 3 rounds of prompts. And these are the ATCs that I done. She did some iCads and a cover. And once the video is uploaded, I will link right here in the iCards the link to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with round 1 first, and here's the prompts for round 1, which I will list below on both videos, this one and the one that we did live. And here's my ATC for that one. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is, this is the prompts. Okay, here's my ATC for that one. A lot of it I doodled in. Here's prompt number 3, round number 3, and here's my ATC for that. Okay, now for round 1, we did prompts, which I did. Here's my border. Let me find something here. Okay, and then we go for the flowers, which is down here. Okay, I have a few eyes here. Rainbows. I couldn't color them because I have to reach way above my head for my color pencils. Lace or bling. I chose bling. Sorry about that. And we have butterflies, which I have a Tim Holtz butterfly here. And words. And my words, I chose fly with friends. That's prompt number 1. Round 1 for the first 7 prompts. Round 2, the next set of prompts was leaves, sun, book text, rain, clouds, a ladybug, and a fish. Okay. Round 3 was a paper clip, circles, a mug, an owl, an eagle or a bird. I got this off of Google. Music paper, which is underneath the key, and a skeleton key. Here you go. The music paper. And then I put jumbled mess for my words. That's all 3 of my projects for today's rounds of prompts. And stay tuned. I will have photos at the end of the video. I would like to say, please be kind, be loving, be caring, be blessed, stay blessed. Stay crafty, be crafty, and thank you all for being here. Thank you all for your support. And don't forget about my friends across the miles, US and overseas. I will try to link that video up here also. And I'm going to try to link all videos down below, along with the prompt lists and everything. So, please and thank you. And I literally just lost my train of thought. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.